I've gotten so many questions, especially from my TikTok, if there's any hairstyle that one can rock without, necessarily having to use gel. So I'm just here to show you guys that you can, rock your natural hairstyle without having to use gel, especially if you're that person who doesn't like to apply gel onto your natural hair. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jana Tango. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please don't leave without subscribing to this channel. You can always comment, share, and I will truly appreciate all your support. I'm just using my scrunchie to secure my hair, and I just guys saw I didn't split my hair using a comb because the line is not going to be shown. Okay, so after that I'll just take my rattle comb, but I'm going to use it to smoothen in the hair because again we're not going to be using no gel. Okay, so this is a gel-less hairstyle, so no gel, no nothing. Okay, so after that I'll just go ahead and take my bobby pins. I'm going to use it to secure my hair, just like you can see in the video, guys. So this is like my go-to hairstyle, especially if you're that person who doesn't love to apply gel. So I feel like this is very simple, and it's something that will take you less than, or rather at most 10 minutes, and you're good to go. Okay, so guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you're going to give this style a try, and if you will, please again don't forget to subscribe to this channel for amazing more hair tutorials. So if you're new here, I do create hair tutorials, and if you enjoy watching DIY hairstyles, please be sure to stick around for these and many more amazing hair videos. Okay, so right at the top here, we're going to have like a twist out kind of situation going on here, because again I didn't want the hair to look this straight. Okay, so once I'm done with doing the twist, I'll just take my hair scarf and I'm going to use it to wrap my hair, because again I just wanted my natural hair to be like a laid down, so you don't really have to use gel onto your natural hair. If you don't want, you can always rock different hairstyles without having to use gel and stuff like that.
Tell you what I loved about you, all the reasons to make it hard without you, because back then if I could do it again, would've.
So guys, the last thing is to undo the twist. Okay, so I had the scarf on for about like 20 minutes. Okay, so right about now I'm just untwisting this hair, and I'm going to like just shape it to whatever where I want it to be. And guys, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for keeping me company. Thank you for watching this video till here. So I'm just reminding you all to subscribe if you are here. If you've watched this video till here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. So I will see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.